All right, today is another day to review something new, and today we are reviewing a headset, which I am not sure when the last time I reviewed a headset on this channel, but also just let you guys know, I am no audio expert, and these were sent to me to review, but I'm not being paid, or is this video being sponsored, so this is 100% my opinion, and I'll be honest with you guys if they're good or if they just, suck. So today we are unboxing and reviewing the Roccat Elo 7.1 Air Wireless Gaming Headset. So, this is the Roccat Elo 7.1 Air headset, where the Elo series headset offers PC gamers the perfect blend of Roccat award-winning German design and innovation with Turtle Beach audio expertise and exclusive technology. The Elo 7.1 Air has 7.1 channel surround sound via powerful 50mm drivers and adds Turtle Beach superhuman hearing sound setting. 24-hour long life battery gives the average gamer with over a week of playtime over a 2.4 GHz wireless adapter. It has adjustable headband, tilt and rotating ear cups, AIMO intelligent lighting, memory foam ear cups, on-ear audio controls detachable mic, and also comes with a USB-C charging cable. Let's talk about the quality and comfort of the Elo 7.1 Air. Now, most of the outer shell of the ear cups is hard, durable plastic with some RGB, with a Roccat on one side and then the logo on the other side. But the outer headband is metal, and where it connects to the hinges of the ear cups. Now, the headband is something different that none of my other gaming heads have or had. These use this like self-adjusting headband that is easy to adjust, because really all you have to do is put the headphones on and bam, they're adjusted due to this flexible plastic material that I think connects to some type of elastic piece inside of the headband padding. This headband also has this really nice soft breathable material and feels comfortable on top of my head as well. The ear cups are not bad, not super thick, but still comfortable. My ear fits inside the ears, the ear cups, and does not, rest on the drivers at all. At least for me, the ear cups do come off. So if you ever need to replace them, you can. Now, I do wish that Roccat, went the extra mile here and included another set of ear cups that was made out of the same material as a headband or something like similar, because not all of us like leather ear cups, because it can get hot and sweaty, the same old stuff. For me, I played for, hours in these and never ran into this issue, but that does not mean someone else, won't. Clamping force is great. I think it is not too tight, but also not too loose. And if you wear glasses when you game, I don't think you will have an issue here. Everything is located on the left ear here. We have the port for the flexible mic, a USB-C port to charge the headset, power button, mic monitoring level, and a volume control dial as well. The dial for the volume and the mic monitoring is very smooth with some steps to them, which are very soft. Now, I know someone will comment asking, is this compatible with consoles? Roccat has three models, the 7.1 Airs, the Elo 7.1 USB, which just uses USB, it's not wireless, and then the Elo X Stereo. The Elo X Stereo is compatible with consoles, the other two are not. Now, that does not mean you can't get the other two to work on consoles, because I've seen people get PC gaming headsets to work on consoles, but I wanted to let you guys know. And I will also post the link to all three down below in the description, but just don't take my word on the two. If you can get it to work, great, but if you want it for consoles, definitely go with the X Stereo. All right, for the audio quality, which I was actually pretty shocked on. Like I said earlier, the Elo 7.1 Air is using 50mm drivers from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz for the frequency response. The sound is pretty spot on. I typically play Apex and Escape from Tarkov, and if you never played Escape from Tarkov, you really have to rely on sound. You have to pay attention to enemy noise like gunshots, reloads, footsteps, and more to really figure out where they are around you, and these headphones actually did a great job. I was able to hear and pick out where the enemy was, if it was in the same building that I was in, or maybe the next building over. You can also get more out of the headphones by using the Roccat's software as well. All right, so this is the Roccat Swarm software. You can download this from their website. I'll post a link to it in the description just in case if you need it, you just can't find it. But I'm not gonna go too in depth of this. It's pretty self-explanatory. You got a whole bunch of stuff that you can change for equalizer to adjust it to your liking. You also have custom presets down below and a couple other more stuff here in the corner if you'd like to just mess around with it. Your master volume, mic monitoring, your wireless settings if you want to show your battery, stuff like that. Turn on your superhuman hearing over here. You also can change your 7.1 or 2.0. Me personally like 2.0. So microphone settings. You can also save up to 5 profiles down below. Whereas one thing that's really cool is you can do the profile manager. Say for like example, a game Apex Legends, if you like a certain type of settings or whatnot, you save to profile slot 1. You would select profile, slot 1 for this profile, and then you'd put Apex here. So anytime you open Apex, it automatically switches to that profile. So that's really cool. So that's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, and also you have your lightings and stuff like that. I like the AIMO intelligent lighting. I think that's really cool, but you have a whole bunch of lighting effects that you can change too.
Okay, so you are listening to the mic from the Elo Air 7.1. I have not, added any presets or anything like that to make these sound better. Only thing I will do is increase or decrease the volume so that everything in this video is at the same level. To me, the mic does not, sound bad, especially compared to other headsets out there for the same price. When playing with friends, they hear me crystal clear. There are no breakups or anything like that. And when I listened to myself, it does sound like I am in a cockpit of an airplane talking to radio control. But other than that, it's a great, it's a great mic. I have no complaints, and as long as everybody can hear me crystal clear and there's no breakups, thumbs up for me.
Okay, for my final thoughts, is it any good? And my answer is yes. For $100, you're getting up to 24-hour battery life, great quality, and the comfort is good. We have some RGB for you RGB fans out there. Mic isn't bad at all. Yes, I wouldn't mind it being a little bit better, but not a deal breaker for me. Sound quality I think is great, and trust me guys, and I am being 100% honest with you guys here, is that they have saved me a couple times from being killed in Escape from Tarkov. I was able to hear people around me, especially people creeping up on me. On top of that, you get a lot of flexibility with the software to fine tune the audio to your liking. If these are too expensive and you don't care if they are wireless, then check out the Elo Air USB and save like, I don't know, $20. Thanks again to Roccat for sending these out to me. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and also consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you do not miss out of any of my upcoming videos. My name is Brody, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.